Hey, what's going on? JD here, and today we've got a quick unboxing for you. Today we are going to look at SoundPEATS Wings 2. It is a Bluetooth set of headphones designed for those of you who are active, hence the hooks for the ears. We've seen some SoundPEATS before in here where we've used them on the bike. If you haven't seen that video, you can check that out. The Run Free, which are an air conduction headset. Check those out as well. This is something a little bit different. These go directly over the ears, no band in the back. So we're going to jump right into this and open these guys up. So a nice little box we see on the back. Come with a nice case. Bunch of details there. So we've got 13mm dynamic drivers, APP control, 30 hours of playtime, which is huge. Hear your imagination. And we'll just slide this box open however it's supposed to go, and it'll go that way. Not sure what the best side to open this is, or if it's a slider, but it's going to go this way. So we've got some instructions, how to pair them, all that kind of good stuff. And then we've got a small little box here. I imagine these are the cords. And if we take a look, it's USB and Type-C. So there you go. Nice little charging cable, just the one. Unfortunately, no C-to-C charger there. And then we've got the SoundPEATS themselves, a nice little case, and a much larger instruction manual. So if we pop this open, we can see we've got a nice textured case here, flat black with a nice gloss. S for SoundPEATS. We've got a hook, so you can hook this guy up to a lanyard, which will be nice. There is an adapter, so they will charge in case. And the clip, and if we open those up, you can see the headphones themselves. So you'll notice the over-ear hooks. So what that means is for someone like myself, when I am riding a bike, if I'm wearing something like my Apple headphones, they will typically just pop out. They don't necessarily sit the best. This offers that little bit of added protection to make sure that these guys are not going to fall out. These are in-ear. You can see the 13mm driver there. We've got a little pairing light that's already going. Just trying to pair up with my phone, and that should be fairly straightforward. These headphones, like it said on the box, there's 30 hours of playtime, and they run on Bluetooth 5.3, which will use less power. Got nice touch control. We've got the light here. They are sweat proof, so if you are working out, you are going to find that they will do fine, but they are not waterproof. Again, if you're looking for something to swim in, these will not be your guys. So the headphones pair quite quickly to the phone, and overall the sound is really good. There is a good amount of bass. For those of you who've watched me ride in my ride videos will know that I have worn the shocks for quite a while. These offer much better sound. You can control the device from the ear. You just tap it and it'll pause. It's not so much a click button as it is just a quick tap, and you can tap it twice and it will start playing music again. So overall, comfortable on the ears. They're quite secure. If I move around, they are not going to fall out. And that's what you want for an active pair of headphones. Like I said, in the past, I've used my Apple ones and I've lost them several times, especially while biking. If you're looking something not to have directly in your ear canal, these might not be the headphones for you, but SoundPEATS has you covered with the Run-Free Light. I like those a lot. You may have seen me wear them in my videos, and they work really well for that function as well. But somebody who wants maybe a little bit better sound quality and isn't so concerned about hearing the environment around them, this may be more suited for you. And of course, you've got a nice little carrying case so you can throw this quickly in your jersey pocket. You have them on the go. So these headphones weigh in at 15 grams for just the headphones, and we get a combined weight of 70.7 grams. So if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications, and until next time, see you.